Loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imelda Nzekwe. If this is your first time of coming here, you are most definitely welcome, and don't go anywhere until you hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to your girl's channel, support your girl, show me some love. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know I hacked you big time, so please turn on your notifications so you'll be notified each time I post my video. Let's get right into this video. Why do you pay when you can actually do it yourself? In this video today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix already made nails on yourself, by yourself. Yes, self. So if you are interested, which you should be interested in, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Let's go right into the video. So first and foremost, look at our nail. Yes, our already made nails. Yes, this nail is from Mio Baolai. Man, this is Chinese, so don't forgive me. Yeah, your babe is Nigerian. I'm a Nigerian, yes, not a Chinese. So first and foremost, you need a file, a very sharp one. Then you can file your hand. I'm starting with this small finger. I'm filing it gently. The essence of filing the nail is for the surface to be rough so that the spark glue can actually glue onto your natural nail. See, I'm done with this one. See how rough it is. Unlike these ones, they are still smooth. So I'm just gonna do the same on all of them. See, you see the difference? Okay, these two are filed, but this one are not. So these ones are still rough and these ones are still smooth. So see, these are my rough, or rather filed nails. So up next, we are getting our nails back. So we are gonna unseal this. And gently bring them out. See, they're out. So I'm gonna pour everything on my board. Okay, now nail has numbers, right? Like this is number 9. I don't know if this can actually capture the numbers. It's written here at the top. Oh shit, you cannot capture, the camera is so tiny that the camera can't capture it, but it has numbers. They have number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Yes, they have number 11 too. So then I'm using our spark glue. This spark glue for these nails. For the nails, what you basically need to do is to be measuring the nails with the one that will size your hand. Like, just be taking the measurement and be very careful. For a beginner, you need to lay down the numbers. Like, okay, let's say now that This is number 8. I'm starting with this hand. This is my number 8 on this my left hand side. Now I've already known that it's number 8 that sizes this last finger of my hand, so I'm gonna keep number 8 aside so that I can equally fix it on this hand, on this hand. So see, so what I will do now is I'll first of all fix my right hand side, okay, because I am right-handed, so it will be more easier for me. So I'm opening this super glue, and I'm basically putting the super glue on my, you're seeing it, to my pencil. Yeah. So easy. Yeah. So next I'm going onto this hand. So now I'm searching again which number would fit. This is my 5. See, it's a perfect match. I've not fixed it yet, but see, it covered my nail. So I'm going to apply my glues on and then glue it. See? And I'm getting my nails, applying it. Then I'm pressing it down. I actually love this nail. Alright, the next one. Now we are gonna do puzzling again. Puzzle. Whoa. Let us try this. Testing. See, it's a perfect match. This is color, I say color. This is 3. Again, I'm applying my glues. All right. Then for this hand, I'm gonna file it again. So for our big daddy here, I'm going to be using this number 1. It's big, so I'm gonna make the surface rough again, then apply my glues on. Then we're gonna put on our big daddy. Isn't it gorgeous? All right, moving over to this hand. We're gonna be fast this time around because we've already known the numbers to fix. So fixing this hand will be a lot easier and faster. I don't have to start measuring again because I've already laid out the numbers and the fingers. Alright. So see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay loved, stay blessed, stay fabulous. I love you guys. Mwah.